Chanting the name of Sai is a powerful medicine. According to Indian spiritual tradition, chanting the name Sai is considered a superpower in today's era. The great saint of Shirdi, Sri Sainar, broke the barriers of all religions throughout his life and gave the message of religious harmony. The true meaning of Sai's name is love and humanity. That is God in person. God is one in person. By remembering his name, a person gains mental health and spiritual energy. Due to stress and rush, people have lost their physical and mental health today. Let's learn how chanting Sai's name is a panacea for this in this video. Hello, I am Shrikanta. The name of Sai itself is a mantra. When we chant this holy name, positive energy flows in our brain. Modern science has also accepted that chanting helps reduce mental stress and anxiety. While chanting the name of Sai, vibrations are created in our body. They give peace to our heart. Sai Baba used to say, "Sabka Malik ek hai," which means that the master of all of us is one. The thought is a medicine because it frees a person from the feeling of loneliness and connects him with the vastness of the universe. It eliminates fear in the person. Chanting this mantra starts building confidence and self esteem. Also, the name of Sai contains two mantras, Shraddha and Saburi. When a patient meditates in the name of Sai, Shraddha awakens in his mind and he becomes convinced that an unwearying power is protecting him. It is also because of the feeling that half of his illness starts to heal. As the disease starts to heal due to Shraddha, patience come in his life. That is Saburi. Maintaining patience in any illness or crisis is an essential elixir for mental health. In short, by regularly chanting the name of Sabka Malik Ek Hai, Shraddha and Saburi and Sai, positive vibrations are created in our body. Or all the disorders like anger, jealousy and greed disappears. Today, people's mental health has deteriorated due to the desire for mental health, happiness. Many diseases arise due to mental worries. By constantly chanting the name of Sai, our body becomes detoxified and purified. Mental stress disappears. Chanting Sai's name or reciting his biography is a powerful medicine to relieve stress. Moreover, the medicine of chanting Sai's name is completely free. It does not cost any money, but time and mental recitation. Mental recitation of Sai's name means that while chanting Sai's name, there should be feeling of surrender in our mind that we are offering all our worries at Baba's feet. To take the medicine prescribed by the doctor, we have to go to the center. We have to pay money, and when we come, and then we come home. We have to take the medicine with water or fruit juice as per the doctor's prescriptions. However, to take size medicines, there is no need to go anywhere and there is no need to do anything special. Wherever you are, in the same situation, in which situation you are, remember, you can remember Baba from heart. Consider it is a positive energy that has been created in your heart. The only important thing is just as it necessary to complete the course of medicine on time. Similarly, regular chanting of Sai's name purifies a person's inner self. Therefore, the health of a person automatically improves. That is the state of the society today. In the era of social media, internet, mobile revolution, we have lost our peace of mind due to the need of technology and access. The poor have no money and they are confused about living. The rich have money but do not get the answer to why they should live. So death seems closer than life. No matter what class a person belongs to, his life is surrounded by stress, uncertainty, and poor mental health. On top of all this, Sai name is a life saving medicine which frees a person from the disease of the worldly attachment and leads to salvation. If we start chanting Sai's name regularly in our lives, we can all live a beautiful, healthy, and peaceful life. Sai's name is not just a group of letters, it's the energy of the universe which works like light in the darkness. Therefore, Sai name is priceless. After hearing this glory of chanting Sai's name, you must have also been tempted to take the medicine of chanting Sai's name. So, when will you start chanting Sai's name? Let us stop this video here. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Story of Sai. Om Sai Ram. Thank you.